Okay, so I'm going to play a little bit of slots. We're here at the Cosmopolitan, and we're going to play some Cleopatra 2. I'm going to play $20, $1 a spin, and see if we can win something. Probably won't, but you never know. Alright, that didn't work, so... Nothing. There's a bit of something on it. That's alright. Very good. Alright. We're going to play double or nothing, so if we can somehow get up to $40, we'll stop. I'm not doing too bad. They were up $3, so we'll see if that continues. It probably won't. If we get 3 of those little Sphinx heads, we get a bonus, which can be very lucrative if you are lucky. Down to $19.50. So we need a good hit. That wasn't it. Nothing. The Clio 2 is wild. Now we get doubles, actually, the value of whatever you get it with, so it's very good to get that. Oh, and we got 60. That's $3, so that helped a little. This video goes too long and we haven't won anything or lost anything, I'll just stop it. But I'm going to do a number of these sort of $20 double or nothing videos, because that's sort of fun. And that was a good one. We won $10, so we're right back in this. We got a chance. That's pretty good. But we're going to play only like $1 or less a spin. Call this slot videos for regular people. A lot of videos out there with people playing $20, $50, $100 a spin. But I can't afford to do that. Most of you probably can't afford to do that, so we're doing this. Playing $1 a spin. So see if we can get lucky. It'd be nice to get the bonus. We'll get a whole bunch of those Clios, which we haven't done yet. The reason we're filming at the Cosmopolitan is they're generally fairly video friendly, as long as you don't film other people. So, down to $11. We need a good hit. That was a good hit. Very good. It's worth $8, so back in the game. Need a bonus, really, in this game to win anything. If you get a bonus, it can be, like I said, really good. You get multipliers. So, $14. Got a lot there. A little bit. But we're in desperate need of a good hit. And that was not a good hit. Or it was a hit. Only a few more spins unless we can hit something here. That was something. Got our money back. So 7 more spins before we run out of money here. Oh, got 100. That's pretty good. $5. Oh, 2 Clios in a row. That's 80. So that's $4, I guess. Let's keep getting those. That would be good. This game is not particularly known for a lot of good line pays. So it's kind of one of those need to get the bonus kind of games, normally. But we're kind of hanging in there. So we're down $5. So we're not doing too bad for not having gotten a bonus yet. Eight more spins. 7 more spins. That was good. Hanging in there longer than I thought. That'll also be reasonably good. As long as this video's gone, that's pretty good. Might be inclined to stop if we get back to 20. We might, but we probably won't. In the regular Cleopatra, if you get 2 of the little guys, that doubles your bet, but you don't get that here. You have to get all 3 to get anything, and then you get the bonus, which would be good to get. Those 75. Okay, didn't mean to do that. I'm sure it didn't mean to do that. I'm sure it wanted to give me a big win. Alright. Only 8 more spins left. That would have been nice. We would have got those Cleos lined up, like that one was lined up. That was pretty good. This is definitely not a drunken video tonight. I've not had too much to consume in the way of alcohol today. So, 6 more spins. Unless we can hit something. 5 more. Nothing there. 3 more spins on this machine. Looks like it's gonna fail to make us wealthy. Then the last spin. And that's it. We only have 25 cents left. So we did not double our money on this game. So, but thanks for watching. And we'll make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.